Alright, it's going. Uh, let's start the slideshow. Alright.
Welcome to the project. My name is Abdiz the King. Our project name was PropertyHub, the real estate site. The overview of the project. The idea was just to bring the sellers and the buyers into one platform where they can actually buy real estate and view it. We had to implement a user login registration system. We had to also implement an admin page that can view everything that's happening on the site. Users are assigned a role and they're redirected directly with those roles. Seller users can actually list a house, a buyer can view and buy the house which is for sale, and we store everything inside the database.
So the homepage is very aesthetic. It basically shows different pictures of homes. Some features we've added in is a navigation bar that will let you go to different pages on the homepage and log in. We don't have, and after you press login, you will be redirected to this page here. From here, you have the choice of either logging in with an existing account, or you can create an account, and when you create an account, you can choose if you are a vendor or if you are a buyer. We also have a special login set aside for the admin. No one else can create this account, and there is only one, and you need that account to get into the admin's page. So once you log in, if you are a buyer, you will be redirected to this page, and if you are a seller, you will be redirected to this page.
So this is the buyer page. And once the buyer log in, they can view all the houses available for purchases. And we have 4 categories to form a drop-down menu. Once the user click on the property, they can redirect to view only the properties. Information available to buyer is price, picture, address of the house, and a short description about the house. Also, the user will be able to add the property to the cart or the wish list. Next slide, please. And this is the overall for the code for the buyer page. In this code, we have 3 main sections: navigation bar and product list to list a list of products, and the categorical corrections. And we have a PHP function to connect to the database, and the JavaScript function to run the functionalities.
So for the sellers page, we after you log in, if you want to be a seller, then you can be redirected to this page. And initially, there are whatever properties the seller owns are available, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page, as this is an example of the information that will be shown. There's a lot of SQL queries that go into this. Querying the database to get that information from each of the properties is also tied to the user. And the sellers can also set the different prices, all the different information, the street, city, the year was built, that can all be updated as well. And all that data is saved in the database. For admin page is only one user that has access to this. You want to just keep a track of our revenue, the users within the site, and new listings. We also implement a user count in there, all the properties that are listed on the site, the revenue generated, and details of properties.
Alright, now we're going to do a quick demonstration of this. So we first have the home page here. As you can see, you have different pictures of houses. You can then choose to log in from here. So we can first go to a buyer's page. Oh, okay, that's the incorrect password. Okay, so this is a buyer's page. We have different listings here, and if we want to look at one of the listings, we can see that listing along with the description here. After that, we can let's go log out, and we can log back into a seller's page. And so this is a seller's page. We can choose to view a property here. You have its information right here. We can update and delete this. We can also add a property here through this page right here. And then the last page we have is the admin page. That is admin username, admin password if you want to get into it. And this is the admins page. We can see different listings of properties. And we can also see a general overview of everything. Thank you for watching our presentation. Does anyone have anything left, or is that it? I'm gonna stop the recording then.